What's up, guys? Mark Monsiardini here, and welcome back to my channel. All right, so on this video, we're going to talk about how the real money is made on YouTube with affiliate marketing. This is going to be my $100 a day formula. So stay with me here. I'm going to give you all the details right on this video. Now, before that, remember to subscribe to my channel right now because I come out with videos every single day that will show you how you can make money online. We talk about legitimate ways on how you can work from home and how you can become an entrepreneur. And if you guys would like to learn how to make a full-time passive income right online, if you would like to learn how to do that, this is what I'm doing. If you want to make money while you sleep and while you're out traveling, well, check out the link below in the description of this video right now, and I will share with you some more information on how you can do that. All right, let's go ahead and jump into the video. So if you've been following me around a little while, you know my channel has been growing pretty fast. In the last 5.5, 6 months, I've grown it to almost we're just about to hit 4,000 subscribers and quite a bit of views on my channel. But looking over here at the history for this year, I started it back in March, in late March, and it took me a long time to gain traction, to get it going. I went through like a couple weeks with no subscribers at all, no views. I mean, it was like, I don't know, I was like, oh my gosh, what did I get myself into, right? But I just kept at it. And my secret is, guys, is just to post a video. If you can, post a video every single day. And just get in the habit of doing that. Go out, get the information that you need, gather together a video. It doesn't have to be a long video. Just stay consistent doing that. And so you can see that I've just been creating videos, and then, I'm getting 1 subscriber, a couple subscribers here, 4 subscribers. And then, just had times when here I am 2 months in my YouTube channel, still, only a few subscribers a day. And then back in, over here in July, things just started to really pick up. It just started to, boom. And I just started to get a bunch of subscribers. And then the highest I've had was about 254 subscribers in a single day. Of course, you are going to gain some, you're going to lose some. Most of the time, you will gain more than you lose. If you are consistent and you stick to the point, you give people what they want, you guys can also be successful doing this, okay? So that's how everything has kind of grown for me. Now, just as of today, in the last, I would say about 24 hours, in a 24-hour period up till now, I've generated about 300 leads from my YouTube channel. And so that has created about 4 sales at a 1.3% conversion rate, which is not too bad. I guess there's kind of like an industry standard about 1%. It is and it's not. I mean, some people say it's 1%, 2%. 2% is really good. But I like to try to see somewhere around 1% conversion rate. That means out of every 100 people that see my videos or my offers, I would like to at least see 1 sale from that, okay? So that's kind of like what I'm shooting for, but that's just me. So you can, do whatever you want. You can drive more traffic. So just want to let you guys know, because if you've got like maybe only 20 or 30 people have seen your offer and you're not making any sales, well, you might have to see about 100, 200. You might have to generate more leads and traffic in order to really kind of get a better idea on what your conversion rate really is, okay? So don't get discouraged if you guys are starting this for the very first time. Now, a little bit about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is great because it's, it's not your product. It's not your service. You're just earning a commission if you direct sales. And so in other words, like if you have your own product, you're going to have to deal with technical support. You're going to have to do customer service. You may have to ship something. Well, with affiliate marketing, you don't really own the product or the service. You're just directing traffic and you're referring people to that service. And you guys are getting commissions. And it's a great way to have an online business because it's kind of like hands-free. You guys can just take your laptop, go wherever you want to go, travel and do whatever you want. And you can still basically earn money wherever you go. You're not tied down to a business. You don't always have to be like a brick and mortar business, or like if you start a restaurant or something like that, or a 9-to-5 job where you always have to be in that office and you can't really go anywhere, or what they used to call golden handcuffs. But what I'm going to do here, guys, is just kind of give you a rundown about my funnel, and so you guys can duplicate what I'm doing so you can see similar results. Okay, so now we're talking about YouTube here. That's where the traffic source is. So I'm going to come down here and grab YouTube, this little YouTube icon here. Let's go ahead and make this a little bit bigger here. So I'm just going to put daily videos right here. There we go. Okay, so now on my YouTube videos, on every video that I do, I tell people to click on the link in the description. You probably noticed at the beginning of this video, that's what I did, because you guys, you have to do this. You have to create a call to action, okay? Because you can't just say, well, think that everybody's going to click on that link below in your description. Here's mine right here, okay? This is my #1 recommendation to make a full-time passive income online. And now if you guys want to see how I'm doing all my funnels and everything, you guys can just click on that link and you can go through and opt in, okay? You don't have to do that, but if you want to check out what I'm doing, okay? So I tell everybody, and I have this right here on this video, share with you some more information on how you can do that. Okay, so I tell them to click on that link, and so hundreds of people click on this link. Now, it's important that you guys tell them to click on that link in every video that you do, because you might have a video that goes viral, and that could be a video where you didn't tell them to click on that link. So you don't know. I mean, on YouTube, it's kind of like a hit and miss, and it's a little bit of luck, to be honest with you. You don't really know what video is going to take off, what video is not. So a good rule of thumb is to just make sure you tell them to subscribe. You tell them to click on that link below on every single video that you do, because you just never know. All right. So this video I posted, I don't know, a few days ago. It's got 900 views. So hundreds of people click on this link, okay? And that goes through the funnel. All right, this is how the big dollars are made on YouTube, guys. If you guys want to make some real money, you know, I mean, I'm talking about, you know, if you're tired of making, you know, the $1 to $2, $5 a day, whatever. I mean, you want to start generating those $100, $200, $300 days, then this is the best way to do it. It's going to take a little bit more work, but the results are well worth the effort that you put into it. Okay, so over here, I'm just going to drag in an opt-in page. So they're gonna be on my YouTube video, and then they're gonna click on that link, and they're gonna end up on the opt-in page. This is where I'm asking them to, you know, basically I'm saying, hey, if you would like to know more information about this, then enter your email address, and I will give you that information. Okay, so what they'll do is they'll enter their email address in, and then from this point, it's going to go over to a video. So I'm not going to directly send them to any type of offer or service. Okay, you don't want to do that. And what they say is true, guys. You don't want to send people directly there. You want to make a personal recommendation. You want to share your experience. You know, they want to hear from you. And you're the reason why they're opting in anyway, especially from YouTube. You know, if they saw your YouTube video, they're familiar about who you are. They see your face, or hopefully they hear your voice. So when they opt in, you don't want to send them off to somewhere like they have no idea where they're going. They don't know anything about the opportunity. They're thinking, you know, what happened? You want to kind of guide them through the process. So let me just explain exactly what I'm talking about here. Okay, so you opt in. The user opts in, and then they are going to be presented with a video. You can call this a sales video or whatever you want. Let me go ahead and link that. There we go. So they're going to see a sales video right here. And so what that's going to do is say, hey, thanks for coming by. So here's the information that I promised you. And so let's get started. And then just say, hey, this is the opportunity, or this is the service that I wanted to show you, and just walk them through, tell them about, you know, why you trust the company, why this is legitimate, and what you're going to learn. Maybe even after they sign up, what are they going to see, and what's going to happen? How much is it going to cost? You know, things like that. You want to try to cover, you know, most of all their questions beforehand. can they do this? What about your experience with the product or service? Whatever that is, your results, share that with them. Okay? And you guys will be very surprised because, they know you from your YouTube channel. And so you want to be consistent and you want to stay with them along the funnel. You don't want to just take off in the middle of the funnel and they don't really know, where they're going. So after that sales video, I don't need to send them to another sales video. I don't need to send them to another opportunity where, I'm, sending them to like another sales video or a long sales page to sell them again or to explain the opportunity again. I don't need to do that. I've already done that with my own video, personal recommendation. Okay, so at this point, what I would do, and what's working really well for me, I would just send them directly to the order page. I mean, why not? You've already sold them. You've already told them everything about it. You don't have to create even more hoops that they have to go over and more obstacles for them to go over. Why even do that? Just have a link or a button below the video and say, hey, if you guys are ready to get started, because you're going to have people that are not going to be able to do it or they're not interested, and that's cool. But so I only want people that are really interested to go to the order page. So it's just a really, really easy way. There's no distractions or anything like that. They go right there. Just fill out your name and information. There's the button or the price at the bottom. That's it. I've already explained to them about the price, or it could be like a trial offer or something like that. I've explained all that already in my video, in my little sales video. So this works really well. And so by doing this, I've been able to get on the leaderboard of one of the opportunities that I'm a part of. And so that's pretty cool how all this works. So yeah, guys, in a nutshell, that's basically my funnel. And so now some of you might be wondering, well, how do I get the traffic? But then again, that's what I talked about at the beginning of this video. See, I'm making videos every single day. You see what I mean? The great thing about YouTube is that these videos, they could be on YouTube for years, for a very, very long time. And somebody might find a video that I've created maybe 3 years from now. And it could be like 3 or 4 years old by that time. And I could still be generating leads and sales from that video. Because at any time, I never mention the opportunity inside the description. I just say this is an opportunity because I know I'm going to be doing this for a long time. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm going to be promoting different things, different opportunities that people can join to learn how to create a full-time income. I mean, this is what I do, and I'm going to be doing this for a long time. So I'm never specific about the particular opportunity. I'm just going to have them come down here and click on this link. They'll get to my funnel. They'll opt in. I can change the opt-in page anytime that I want. And then I will just send them to the video. Another thing is that I'm always going to keep the same link down here. I'm not going to change that for every video because, what if I need to change my link or my website or something, or I'm not going to use an affiliate link. I'm going to use my own website as a link and use software to redirect that link. Okay? If you guys have any questions about anything that I've talked about on this video, leave me a link below and I'll help you out. This is how the real money is made on YouTube. Okay? It's not really, you guys can do surveys, you can use apps and stuff like that, but you're just not going to generate a lot of cash flow. It's kind of ridiculous, right? A lot of people, when they think about making money online, that's the first thing they think about. But this is where the big bucks are made, okay? So if you guys have any questions, again, leave me a comment below. And hey, if you found some value on this video, give me a thumbs up. I would appreciate that. And if you guys want more videos about making money online, working from home, and becoming an entrepreneur, well, subscribe now, and I will send you an update whenever I come out with a new video. You guys make it an awesome day, and we will see you on the next one. Peace out.